You're my morning light, the calm that makes the dark feel right. With every step, with every day, you're the song I wanna play.
To my one and only Pretty Wahini, my island girl, happy birthday to you. 40 years old na ta. 40 anyos na jud ta. 40 anyos na jud ta. So kabalo na ka unsay angay na tong buhaton sa life begins at 40. And yeah, thank you for always providing us sa mga lamiang luto nimo, kay kabalo ka nga prito ra jud ko kutob. And thank you for being my partner in crime, my comfort, because you know anhabay ko mo higda sa imong bukton, mo unlan sa imong bukton, di ba? My comfort yun na. And my greatest gift di ay cherry me. So me, I'm so lucky to love you and be loved by you. English na ha? Because nabatas New Zealand, di ba? English yun na. Kamao tama English. And speaking of New Zealand, yeah, daghan kayong nindot nga lugar diri sa New Zealand. Bisag asa ta maadto, puros jud siya mga nindot. Maihas yun ta ba? Unsa si Mother Nature. But para makibaw ka, ikaw ra gyapon akong pinakanindot nga talan-awon. So me, happy birthday once again. I love you to the moon and back. And sunod ay ani nga video na ako'y gipang prepare pod, gipang message nga friends nimo, families sa Mactan Island. Okay, so prepare your luha, prepare your tears, prepare your tissue or panyo. Enjoy your day and I love you.
Happy birthday, Cherry! Woot, woot, woot! We miss you! See you soon! Ulit na mo dali, Char.
Hiya, Match! Happy birthday! Welcome to the club of the Gorness. Bito, you enjoy your day. You wanna sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, Match.
Okay, happiest birthday, happiest 40th birthday. God bless you always and your family. Hi, Cherry! Happy 40th birthday! Unta na surprise yes, pa-surprise ni Lloyd. Enjoy your day today and we'll see you very soon. Mwah.
Hey, Cherry, happy birthday, Cherry. Happy birthday, Cherry. Happy birthday, Cherry.
Happy birthday, Butch! Hope nga Paskog ka, nga karon ni 40 na ka.
Ball!
Hi! Sa akong mati dira sa New Zealand. Siya jud ang pinakabuutan na mo as in Waimeng. Happy birthday, Dai! Thank you for the gift of friendship. Enjoy your day. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Cherry.
Hi Cherry, happy birthday. And I hope your day is absolutely amazing. Murag ikaw. And you know what? I missed your spaghetti and lumpia. And you couldn't blame me for that because you so love me. And seriously, you're one of the most loyal and genuine friend a person could ever ask. So you always check on us for AK, and I really appreciate that. Appreciate all the comments, the reactions on FB post. So bisag na ka diha, it just feels like you're still here. And one more thing, I admire your strength in chasing your dreams and keeping your family together. You continue to be beautiful and happy birthday. May all your wishes come true today. Love you.
Day! Happy birthday! Di na gid mapugngan, day. 40 na gid tarong tuiga. But don't worry, cause we're slaying it at 40. And on this very special day, day, I want you to know that I'm so blessed and happy nga nagkaamiga tang duha. And every time makainumdum jud ko nimo, day, always, I will always have a teary eye sa atong mga kabuang ug kalingaw sa una sa atong pagkikyas-ikyas. And you know how much I love you. I'm so happy kung asa ka karon sa imong successes. And I want you to know that kamutanan, sa imong family, you're always in my prayer. Regards ako sa mga bata. And kay bawsag ko, day, nga swerte jud kayo si Lloyd nimo. Ha? Grabe gid ka swerte kay nilakaw ko kas merkado nga wa kay chinilas og bra tungod sa imong dakong gugma. Anyway, happy birthday and I love you so much.
Hello, happy birthday. Mayo kaya imong birthday natunong gyud sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Welcome to level 4.0. Dito, ako lang ni-greet kayo sa man. Duty man talagi. Wish you nothing but the best. Happy kay mi nagtan-aw nga malipayon kay mo sa inyong life diri sa New Zealand, Aotearoa, and we keep praying and wishing for your continued success. Keep digging that DHB money. Ito, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday in behalf of Masapi Kenya family. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Che! Happy birthday! Sulit na kita sa 40. Muna siya kumiga nga buotan. Buyag. Bitaw. Muna siyang pinaka dako og kasing-kasing. Maluluyon. Bahalag prangka. Continue to be a blessing to others, Che. I know anytime na arayod ka, naarasad mi, permi dere, chat lang, busy kayo mga tao.
Hi FF! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in everything, and I'm so happy in where you are right now that you get to spend your birthday with your family. It's a dream come true na nag-uman na jud mo dira. And I'm so proud of you. Keep chasing your dreams, FF. Keep on dreaming. And I will see you soon. I miss you so much. And you always take care of yourself. And God bless. Bye.
Hi, Maddie. We just woke up. So, happy birthday. You say hi. You say hi. Happy birthday, Tita Cherry. So, wala mi lain gift nimo. Don't worry about paying sa katong post. We got you. Happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday sa ako ang amiga na basa kag ba nasabaan kaayo na pinakamaldita sa tanan. Happy birthday. I wish you good health. Kana jud ang number 1, health. And then basta enjoy na lang dira oy. Have fun. Okay? Love you. Say happy birthday, Ninang.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Okay, from Cordova, with love. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Chair. Good morning. Happy birthday. kabalo jud kaon sa Tagakapalangga. Mura takagmangon. I miss you, Chair. Thank you sa atong friendship. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday again. Happy 40th birthday ni mo diha. I wish you will spend your day meaningful. Kay 40 na gyata, no? Enjoy your day with your family. Usa ka sa mga tao nga gi-treasure gyud nako kay you are so true.
Scary okay.
Maldita man kitang duha kay bawo gyud ta kinsa ta nya.
Scary right.
Ikaw gyud ang mga usa sa mga tao nga akong nakaila nga wa gyud plastikan. Kung unsa gyud na feel nga di maayo. Dirata gyud, no? Which is mo gyud akong gusto ba nga. Wala plastic tag kung di kita ganahan, mo gyud na siya ang sakit kaysa magsitag plastic din ha nya. Mo ra maghapon di ba? Ko ra maghapon ka. So, tas mo tinanong na lang pangkahay na lang kita no. So, usa ka sa mga tao nga ako tinuod kita. Why Gemma, why Meng? So enjoy karon and for the rest of your life with your family and in the new in the new environment nga imong dilive sa imong family karon.
No, you're little rats. I'm scared.
I wish ni Lloyd para ninyo. I wish you more success in life. Ano sa pamandag?
Ano to? Takas agad, 2 minutes na.
Bito again, happy birthday!
Nag-greet ako sa Pikas video.
Oh,
Okay na to. Basta, ako na to.
Oh, kita po. I love you. Bye!
Hi! Happy birthday! Ah! Oh my gosh, 40. Okay. Let's calm down. It's just a number. Anyway, I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling a little sad because I know I wouldn't be there to celebrate with you, but you know that in spirit, I am there rooting for you. And I just want to say that I'm very, very proud of the person that you have become. All the good things that's going on with your life right now, you deserve every single bit of it. And I pray that God will continue to bless you and your entire family. I don't want to cry. But I just want to thank you for being such a wonderful friend. Not only a friend, but my best friend. And a lot of people use the word so lightly, and half of them don't even know what's the meaning of it, the true meaning of being a best friend. And we both know that what we have is way more than that. And again, I just wish that I'm there to celebrate with you. But in time, God willing, we'll be together again. And so, yeah, I mean, I'm not really good at what I'm doing right now, but I'm doing it for you. So anyway, I hope that you have a wonderful birthday, Yot. And I love you so much. I'm always here for you, like always. We may not talk as much like we used to before, but, you know, life, work, everything that's going on right now. But you know that I love you so much, and I'm always here for you. I love you, and I hope that you have the bestest birthday ever. Love you. Bye. Mwah.
Feliz cumpleaños sa pinaka gamay hawak na iyang hawak kay ana na lang kagamay, like 20 sa atubangan. Unsa day sa kilid 20 sa another kilid niya. Kamo na lay bahalag sukod na sa pagkahap. Stigi ata, jugi kases. Sa puton jugi ko mapidyo-bidyo kay karon niya bidyo na. What type pang makeup na what na sa type filter. Pero ni nga man imong banda nga mo greet you daw ko kay you know, na dapat man daw ng mga artista mong great name mo. So, again, Feliz cumpleaños. Cherry May Yosores, pinakagamay hawak. Di na tatatas unday kay kapoy kista na ng mga dagkag pa-message nga kay Bobby adjud ka nga mag-chat rajud ta diyan dapita. So again, we love you, you know you, I love you. So I sikuan diha day ha kinahimutang naman ka diha. So ipadayo na to ang atong pagkagwapa, maora jud na ang atong pagkagamay hawak. Alright, naday mo sideline nga mo greet dire.
Happy birthday, Cherry.
Wow. Diba?
Ang ako migo kay naagid siya surprise.
Okay.
Ila ko musulti kun sa.
Sige.
Basta mo ka to.
Maatay ta din napita.
Musa mo to kagamay ang imo ang hawak sa iyang ihatag.
Nami to nga sa daan. Magina traffic idzay. Yung kinahanglan naman daw kumapasa video kay kundi kasabaan kong Lloyd. So again, Feliz cumpleaños. And I love you. Mwah.
Hi Ata Chichi, wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Even though that you're in New Zealand celebrating your birthday with Lord Shallow and Kira, please know that you're always in our thoughts. We miss having you around, and the days aren't the same without you. We're hoping and praying to get a chance to see you all again soon. Sending all our love for a fantastic year ahead. Babush. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Chi. Amping mo dap kanunay. Kuyog imong pamilya. Happy birthday. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Mami Chichi. Thank you for everything. We miss you and see you soon. The baby Raya. Bye. We love you. Bye. Take care.
Hello, Sex Bomb Cherry. Happy birthday. I wish you grow more horizontally. No, just kidding. I wish you all the success in the world and all the love and good health. See you soon, Mom. Get out.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cherry. Love you.
Yeah, happy birthday, Cherry. Now, please know we are so grateful and thankful to have you as one of our cousin. God knows kung sa juga ka buutan, kami natagon nga gagaw. O, that's why no wondering why you're so blessed right now. Again, happy birthday, Ed. We love you so much. We can't wait to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Cherry. Wala na ako ang kanang magamping lang mo diya kanunay sa inyong pangadlaw-adlaw nga panginabuhi o sa inyong paglawas, Cherry. Happy birthday. God bless and amping kanunay.
We love you, Ed. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hey, Mami Cheche. Happy birthday, Mami Cheche. Happy birthday, Cherry. Happy birthday, Mami Cheche.
Happy birthday, Monyo. Wish you all the best in life. And mayunta nga makabot nimo imong mga dreams o mga goals sa imong kinabuhi. O amping mo dia permanente. We miss you and we love you.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, and as they say, life begins at 40. So congratulations on that milestone. And please know that we miss you here. We miss your presence here in the Philippines. And I hope that NZ have been treating you well. So yeah, once again, happy birthday and we love you. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Kiss.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Cherry. Wish you good health and your family, especially the kids. I love you all.
Yara, ang mama.
Happy birthday, Cherry. Happy 40th birthday. More birthdays to come and good health always. Amping good mo diha permi ha kay layo kayo mi. Hay, makahilak sa gid ko mga inani oy. Basta happy birthday na lang. And more blessings nga. Amping yun mo. Wag yun ko lang ikasulti. Mag-amping, mag-ampo. AA ako isulti. Amping og ampo always. AAA. Mao na, Cherry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Let me kiss it. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nani Mama Cherry. Birthday, Nani Cherry. Birthday, Mama Cherry. Birthday.
Uy, come on!
Birthday, Nami Cherry. Birthday, Nami Cherry. Birthday, Nami Cherry. Go, go, go. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Whoop, whoop. Happy birthday to you. Whoop, whoop. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Whoop, whoop. Happy birthday to you. Whoop, whoop. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nani Cherry. 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 Ngayon. Get, get out! Birthday, Nani Cherry. Woo!
Birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Mommy.
We love you!
We love you. Happy birthday.